Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to cancel your TradingView subscription. First, you'll need to log into your TradingView account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From that menu, select the option labeled Account and Billing to proceed to your subscription management area. This is the first crucial step in managing your plan. Once you are on the Account and Billing page, you will see several tabs. Locate and click on the Subscriptions tab to view all your active plans. Here, you will find a list of your current TradingView subscriptions. Identify the particular subscription you wish to discontinue. Next to that subscription, you should see a clear Cancel Subscription button. Click this button to initiate the cancellation process for your selected plan. After clicking the Cancel Subscription button, you will be presented with a confirmation screen. It is important to carefully review all the details displayed, especially the effective end date of your subscription. You might also be prompted to provide a reason for your cancellation. This step is entirely optional. Once you are satisfied with the information, click the Final Confirmation button to officially cancel your TradingView subscription. This action ensures your request is processed. After successfully canceling, your TradingView subscription will remain fully active until the end of your current paid billing period. This means you can continue to enjoy all premium features until that date. Importantly, you will not be charged for any future billing cycles. Once your current subscription period expires, your access to premium features will cease and your account will revert to a free plan. You can always resubscribe later if you change your mind.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.